On 19th of October, KSA Students Association Rongchingrum Branch inaugurated free coaching center for classes 1 to 6 at Jordanlangso LP School, Rongnong A. With a vision to provide basic quality education to all the children under Rongchingrum area and its adjoining villages, KSA Students Association Rongchingrum Branch under the able leadership of Thangsing Timung President inaugurated free coaching center at Jordanlangso LP School, Rongnong A on 19th October. The inaugural ceremony was chaired by Gabriel Teron, President Rongchingrum Branch, and was reported that the coaching center was inaugurated by Raju Ingti, Assistant General Secretary of KSA Central Executive Committee. It was informed that as many as 50 children enrolled their names to avail the free coaching classes on the initial day. Raju Ingti, AGS KSA CEC, attended as the chief guest of the event. Nelson Timung, President, Dipu Head Branch, Sunil Ingti, Assistant Social Services Secretary, Dipu Head Branch, Uttam Teron, Sir Alir Terang from Dipu Head Branch, President and Secretary of the School Managing Committee, teachers, parents and guardians of the children and several other important dignitaries from the region attended the event. News Desk report for KSA Live.